Supplier invoices. A supplier invoice is the bill issued by a vendor for goods delivered or services rendered to a customer. It itemizes the goods and services sold to a customer, as well as any sales taxes and shipping charges incurred as part of the transaction. You can enter supplier invoices from Supplier module, go to Suppliers, Transactions, Supplier Invoices. Click Add Supplier Invoice. You can select the supplier. After you select the supplier, system will display supplier balance, VAT numbers, credit limit, and supplier address. System will display the document number. You can enter supplier invoice number. You can select layout. You can select supplier invoice date and you can select supplier invoice due date. After that, you can enter items. You can select the item, enter quantity, enter price. You can select the tax type. System will calculate totals. If you have any analysis codes, you can select analysis codes. If you are purchasing more than one item, you can select all items. And by clicking this green color button, you can add more lines. And if your supplier providing discounts, you can enter discounts. If your supplier giving 1 discount percentage for all items, you can enter discount here. Or if your supplier giving different discount rates for different items, you can enter line discounts. You can enter discount percentage or discount amount. If you want, you can add line notes. And if you are incurred any additional cost for this supplier invoice, you can add additional cost. This additional cost will allocate to item cost. You can select the supplier. You can enter due date, description, document number, supplier invoice number you can enter here. You can select tax type, amount. You can see that additional cost will allocate to items based on the price. We will change the additional cost price. Based on the line items values, it will add additional cost. After that, you can enter any message for this supplier invoice. System will calculate all totals, you can save this supplier invoice. If you want, you can print or email the supplier invoice. From options, you can view invoice history. You can show user-defined fields. If you want to add additional details to this supplier invoice, you can add. You can attach documents. You can attach up to 2 MB and 5 attachments. You can add document notes. You can add anticipated payment date for this supplier invoice. Later, if you want, you can create supplier return and re-invoice, or you can create payments, or you can copy the supplier invoice. You can save this supplier invoice. After you save the supplier invoice, you can view the list of supplier invoices. You can view number of supplier invoices, and from this grid you can view supplier name, document number, supplier invoice number, date, due date, total, amount due, and status of these supplier invoices. By clicking these headings, you can sort these supplier invoices ascending or descending order. In status, there are few status: paid, overdue, partially paid, or unpaid. Paid means you have received the supply invoice and you have settled that supply outstanding, then status will change to paid. Overdue is you have entered the supply invoice, and if supplier giving any credit period, you have exceeded the credit period, then status will change to overdue. Partially paid is you have settled part of that supplier invoice. Now in this invoice, total outstanding is 60,000, amount due is 36,000. That means you have paid 24,000. Therefore, this supply invoice status will change to partially paid. Unpaid status is you have entered supply invoice, however, you haven't reached the credit period. You are still in the credit period, therefore status is unpaid. In addition to that, if you have attached any documents or if you entered any document note or if you entered anticipated payment dates, you can check from here. That color will change to orange. You can search supply invoices. You can filter supply invoices. You can sort by multi-column. You can export these supplier invoices to CSV file. From setting buttons, you can customize this grid. You can check required columns and you can uncheck if you want to remove any columns. From quick reports, you can view supplier invoice list, purchase orders by supplier, purchases by item, supplier balances days outstanding, supplier statement and supplier transactions. There's a inactivated button. If you select any supplier invoice, this button will activate. If you want to print, you can print these supplier invoices. In addition to that, you can see this supplier invoice doesn't have that checkbox. That means this is a additional cost invoice. Like this, you can create your supplier invoices. In addition to that, if you have entered purchase orders, you can convert that purchase order to supplier invoice. You can select the supplier. From purchase order, you can select your purchase order. Then, without entering item details, you can convert that purchase order to supplier invoices. Furthermore, you can go to supplier purchase orders. You can select purchase order and you can convert that purchase order to an invoice. Click Actions, select Create Invoice. Then you don't want to enter transaction details manually. You need to enter only supplier invoice and you can process the supplier invoice. Like that, you can enter supplier invoices.